Salam dostlar, welcome to the channel Kazakh language with Zhannur. Today we will study numbers from 0 to 1000. The first number is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 10. After 10, we simply add numbers from 1 to 9, like we do in English after 20. For example, 11, 11. Other examples you can see in the description of this video. Jirma, 20. Otuz, 30. Қырық, 40. Елу, 50. Alpız, 60. Жетпіс, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. 100, 100. 1000, 1000. And with this, our lesson coming to an end. If you have any question, please write me in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Кездескенше!